Hello everyone. Next we are making a ponytail, taking both of the hair from sides, leaving rest of them untied, and then to the untied hair we are twisting them around side by side into three parts and then folding it out into a bun. Next we've taken a ponytail and then we are folding it out into itself, and then we are making this bow. After that, to the remaining hair we are making a braid and folding it out. Next, we have taken a ponytail, taking some hair and then making again a ponytail from it, and then folding one type of hair from other out, and then we are making this bun. Next to the ponytail, just dividing it into two parts and then tying it with rubber and then folding it with each other, as you can see. To the remaining one, we are folding it out into the bun we've made, and you can see it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a low ponytail, dividing it into two parts, securing it with a rubber and then joining them together after twisting them around into themselves and then finally folding it into a bun. Thanks for watching.